Welcome to Localize. Localize's Translation QA workflow is an easy-to-use tool to review your translations before they get published on your website. By default, Localize generates machine translations for your phrases and pushes them onto your website instantly. Most businesses appreciate this set-it-and-forget-it approach, but others want to review those translations before they're in front of their users. That's why we've built the Translation QA workflow. We start by approving phrases in the Pending Needs Approval bin. You can approve phrases individually, select all phrases on each page, or all phrases in your Needs Approval bin. I'm going to select all phrases on this first page and approve them for translation by clicking the green check mark. You can see that the phrases we just approved are in the Translation QA bin under Needs Review. Machine translations are provided because we have automatic machine translations enabled for this project. If machine translations aren't enabled, phrases will appear under Needs Translation, and when translations are added, they will move into Needs Review. After a translation passes a quality review, simply click Publish to activate it live on your website. You can also edit the proposed translation, which would then require a second review before being published. Sometimes translations won't pass a quality review. You can simply decline the proposed translation and provide an explanation to the translator as to why the translation is inaccurate. The phrase will move to the rejected bin, and translators will see the comment and have an opportunity to propose a new translation. When they propose a new translation, the phrase will move back into Needs Review. Let's quickly approve the rest of these translations by selecting All and publishing them. Now you can see all of your completed translations in the Publish bin, and they are live for your visitors.